There's a lot of just dying if I drop down there. Before we continue on with World 2, I'd like to thank the YouTube comments for pointing out something that I've been getting wrong this whole time. I haven't shown you one of the items. And you're like, which one? I can't think of it. Neither could I. Yeah, don't feel too bad. The feather. Now, we saw the feather, like, and you're like, well, what are you talking about? Luigi's wearing it right now, isn't he? Well, see, that's the thing. That's the leaf version for Luigi. And what I was thinking was that, like, Mario got the leaf, Luigi got the feather, but those are your two flying objects, right? But no, someone else pointed out, and I'm like, oh, I guess that makes sense. Because people get different versions of the same power-up, the feather is just the leaf for Luigi, which means that the actual feather power-up, well, I mean, as you've probably looked if you've been looking up at the items up there, are gonna be different. So first up we have Luigi in a panda suit. Whoa. Okay. So he's got a Hadoken. Alright, so he can't actually fly anymore with it. So yeah, he just has his jump, but okay, and that's still just his scuttle jump. Wow. I mean, I don't know how useful necessarily it is, but that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Hadouken! Alright. There's Luigi. Okay. Starting the stream off very strong with that. I will say, it is a little confusing. I kinda wish that was a little, like, just that Luigi didn't get the feather as the leaf thing. Like, I get, like, I mean, I understand why to mix it, but it is a little odd because just right now, it took me a second to be like, okay, like, all right, I'm coming out as Luigi, switched to Toad, and I saw the feather up top, and then I was like, oh, wait, but that's not the actual feather, that's a leaf, this disguised as a feather, not to be confused with the actual feather. Okay, so Toad just is Super Toad. Cool. Super Toad, bomb. So I kind of am a little sad that Luigi gets the feather as a leaf, and he doesn't just get the leaf, because it does make it a little confusing. Okay, I don't think it's confusing, you're just stupid. Wow. There is that too, yes. So now we're gonna bring in, Princess now, and say that, you know, normally it's like, oh, Princess is the wild card. I think Luigi gets the wild card power up here. Okay, so that's the same as, I don't remember which one gave her, but that's the same, like, the vegetable queen power, where she can, like, just throw stuff and, like, pick it up out of the ground at any time. Okay, Luigi definitely wins that one. You know, I think we're gonna give him that as his bag. You know, as I said, like, you know, she's holding on to the cat suit, he's got the propeller hat. Well, Luigi, you can hold on to this, yeah. All right, well, now we're back on track to Sandstorm Asylum. So thank you, YouTube. You know, what would I do without you? Well, not see an exploding Hadoken panda, that's for sure. All I know about, I mean, this level is, I did keep careful of the blasting winds here in the dazzling desert, tweesters and around in the area from the massive sandstorm, blah, 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 blah. Watch out for the Raktos, armored dino rhino. Their defense is much more powerful. Okay, that's cool. Ooh, super ball. Well, all right, that's nice that we have, okay, so you can't jump on them. We're just taking a little check. How about fire? Oh. They are immune to fire. Well, oh yeah. I'd rather hold on to the flying, so I'll switch it to Super Ball. How about the Super Ball? Huh, all right, so they seem to be immune to everything. Good to know. I mean, probably like superstars and stuff they aren't. You know, maybe exploding panda energy they wouldn't be, but we're here with Mario. And, oh, I don't know, I was saying something and not doing a good job of it, but we do know there is a second exit to this level. A, because it looked like it, and B, because I saw so when I went to the level list. Ooh, fancy. fancy things up there. I want to try this. How about... Oh, well... Okay, we found a way up there. Fire? No. Okay, whatever. I don't need Yoshi. He was getting in the way, stifling my career. Ow. Let me... up. Ow. I mean, not that I'm surprised there's another one there, but I still got Kaizo'd. 40 coins, that's cool, I guess. I don't know that it was worth losing my power-up and Yoshi. And I gotta check. Is there anything in here? Yes, there is. Ooh. Hello? What do we got? E. That kind of sounds like... whatever. Let's just go look. Oh, I should have looked around the rest of the room to see if the other, like, the second coin was in there. Whatever, we got the secret exit already, so that's, you know, one thing out of the way. I don't know that I want to go this way, but... This is probably gonna lead to the Star Road entrance. I'm not actually... I'm gonna go back, but I want to at least get it on my level list. Hi? This Badland's been completely trashed by the likes of Morton Koopa Jr. You should navigate this terrain and find a way through. Me? Well, I need some equipment. Okay, good to know. So we need, Luigi and the... Well, wait, is that a vegetable? I was thinking that kind of looked like a rabbit. Okay, so we need the, like... Well, okay, this works too. I'm gonna look this way first. Is this gonna die? No, not gonna kill me. That's nice. Okay, well, I thought we were gonna need the power-up to bring in the throw vegetables wherever, but guess not. Just to be safe. I wanna, you know, make sure there's nothing in those blocks. There wasn't. Whatever. Now we know. You're like, what are you doing? I thought you weren't gonna play this level. Well, I mean, I wasn't, but... I'm here now. I don't want to just, like, kill myself and start again, because then I'd lose my power-up, so I'm going this way. Like, if I die, then we'll go back to the other level. But until then, you know, we might just one-shot it. Go in this pipe, alright. Uh-huh. Huh. I mean, it wants me to go in pipe, but can they go in pipe? Well, alright. Oh! Okay, back to the other level. We got a sneak peek at that one. Just a little taste. We'll come back, we'll finish what we started. You have to finish your Sandstorm Asylum before you can have your Dusky Badlands. Well, and hopefully it won't take so long. Like, I know last time was... like, one video per, one level per YouTube video.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was having a rough time of it. Now, what did I die? Oh, right, I went in here. So, well, I know a way to get in there this time. Unless I can just... brute force my way through. All right. Just want to look for any coin. I don't see one. So, probably not necessary. Just let me look over here. Nope, all right, we're good. Goodbye, key. Don't want ya, don't need ya. Now we know. Ah, we did need to. So, we didn't, and yet we did. Sure, I'll take that. Have your... oh wait, your spike. I just, for some reason, in my head, I saw a Goomba in a boot. That is not a Goomba. There's nothing about that that looks like a Goomba, and yet, here I am like, all right, I'm gonna jump on that Goomba, see if I can steal the boot. I don't know. Can I go down this one? No. Back? No. Over here then. Oh no, well. This is gonna, ooh. This is gonna actually kind of suck. Okay, that was not bad at all. I lied. Ooh. Getting up there is gonna kind of suck though. Do I wanna be up there? Well, it's safer to go that way. I mean, essentially, except for that jerk. Okay, nothing in those. Well, I mean, coins in those, which I do need, so. Oh, yeah. Now, I wanted key speed, but whatever. Invincibility frames, I'll take those too. There's so many of these guys. I just want to check the pipe, man. Oh, yeah. Pipe man, the world's best superhero. Ow. I hate you. Pipe man, where were you to save me? Out here. All right, well, with invincibility frames, check. Nope, nothing there. Oh. So busy checking the pipe, I didn't pay attention to the attack. Ooh. A 3-up moon up there. I can see there's a 3-up moon right up there in that corner. But I can't get to it. Well, I either need to fly or I could spin jump on the rhinoceros or whatever, but I'm not doing that. I am done trying to get that. Okay, really? I don't know if I jump on that. There we go. Give me the flower. No. That cactus. Funny looking cactus. Okay. Now, we are somewhere new, so I need to be on the lookout for, hey, yeah. For that. That's the thing. Okay, there's a, oh my goodness, I cannot see where I'm going. Alright, you're still stunned, that's great. You are, oh, that's what I needed the shell for, I see. Where, yeah, okay. We're fine. We're on the roll. A roll, yes. The one and only roll, we're on it. There are way too many of these guys. I do not like them. Well, I also don't like the wind. But, I mean, no one likes wind levels. That. Say that sounds like quitter talk. Nope. Well, do I check in there too? I don't know. I feel like they already hid one thing in a pipe underneath the volcano flower, so probably not another one, but I tried. Superstar. Oh. Where be suit? Well, let me do this. Guess. Oh, Shell can kill those guys too. Good to know. Okay. So if I were Superstar, would I be right there? I hope I'd be right there. I would not. Right here? Oh. Where is Superstar? I'm Mario. I like to be super, so my star is where? Like, I don't trust these spike platforms, but I don't know what. Yeah, can't go in there. Can't go in there. So there's probably a hidden block somewhere. Do I just go like, yeah, jump, 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 jump the whole time? I mean, I might have to if the other star coin's in there. Also, dude, can you get down from there? Please. Thank you. Just one there, and now up here? No. Can't scroll the screen up anymore, so it's not gonna be up there, probably. I mean, I guess it's gonna be like hidden above where the screen goes, but I'm just assuming not. Well, all right, I think we know where we're gonna be missing a coin. Superstar. Golden P-switch. Okay, well... Dang. Oh, but this is the one that you can reuse, so... Yeah. Just gonna wait. Let it go out. Let it come back. Take it with me. Oh, hello, sir. Just wait. I gotta deal with, like, yes, I could try in this very windy thing on a keyboard, try to jump on that dude as he's swinging by. Or just wait. What? Do I need to be able to fly for that? Uh-oh. We're in Auto-Scrollville. I probably don't need the... Oh! Why is it not letting me... Yeah, saying it wasn't letting me spin jump. What was that? No, because now I don't have any of my moolah. Oh, yeah, I do kind of want to figure out. Oh, yeah. Can we get P-speed running against the wind? Yes. Ah, well, there is something up here. But... not sure what. Oh, a lot of moolah. All right, well, here, I mean, I'm glad that I checked the can I get P-speed running against the wind, because I wouldn't have found that block otherwise, and without that block, I would have made... Okay, that makes getting the stamp a lot easier. Okay, nothing really there. Right. The shell I never got. And I won't get it, because I forgot that doesn't go through the guy. Oh, no. That's probably where the star is, right there. I'm gonna call it now star right here, and I keep forgetting that the shell doesn't go through these guys, so here I am being like, all right, kick it in there and it'll go down and hit the stuff, except it doesn't, because it hits these guys and just disappears. So that's probably what I'm missing. Ooh. But there is another shell over here. If I don't die, which very well might happen. Okay, you're coming with me. I have to make sure not to hit him because I know that makes it disappear. Don't hit him. That makes it disappear. Tricky jump, tricky jump. Up here and over. Now, was I correct? I was. Run, 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 run. Don't have time for that. Gotta keep going. Ooh, and we get into this thing. Oh, what? Okay, bonus area. Oh, I see. So you just have to, like, time your being flung up in the air like that. Oh, but you can't. Well, I mean, yeah, you can. You can just do that. So there you go. Nice little fun bonus. We found our star. I guess I should get the rest of the coins. I'm not guaranteed the stamp yet, so. You know what? Good enough. But there's 3 coins. Good enough. Now I just have to not die somehow with no power-ups. Still in a windy level. Yeah. About that. Okay, here we go. No, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. Hide your kids, hide your Wi-Fi, they're coming. It's like, oh, you could have got up there and gotten the... Oh, what the... Why did it just drop me? I hit the jump button, it's just like, nah. Like, these things normally just fling you across the world. Alright, this time I'm back with a P-Wing. You can't hide your secret pipe from me any longer. What's in here? Super secret little area. Alright. Get yourself a Yoshi, get yourself a bunch of coins. It says go up in there, so I guess we'll do that. Yoshi, Yoshi, where are we going? Ooh.
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes!
Bah. Alright, now where does this pipe take us? Do we still have to do this little bit? Yeah, we do, but at least we got to see the secret area this time. Yoshi can jump on these guys. You can, but I don't know that it's worth it. Run! Run! Yahoo indeed, sir. Yahoo indeed. Whoa. What? I'm glad we got that Yoshi. Still going, still going, still going. Go in the, ooh, diamond up there, good to know. Oh, I could certainly crush you, I think with the one hidden diamond we got, it'll be enough anyways, but good to know that there is another one there if we for some reason need it. Okay. Got a bunch of coins. That's cool. Gold tape? Well, yeah, flagpole. Yeah. I'm still afraid that I missed the red switch palace, but I don't think I've missed any secret exits, so I couldn't have, right? Unless it's in, like, Star Road, which I doubt it is. Alright, well, that level's done, finally. Good level overall, but by the win, man. You take a good level and it just makes it less fun. Like, here's all this cool platforming and also wind. Whatever. I mean, it wasn't invisible blocks, so can we be that mad? The answer is yes. Yes, we can. Alright, now it was in the third one over. Well, okay, again, like, I don't know if it's a case of, is only one thing gonna give you a power-up? It is, okay. So, and it's the same one this time, too. Does that one vary, or is it always the third one? Because I did the third one, and I got the feather, and I was like, well, are we gonna, like, get a different power-up if we go somewhere else? Or is it just only the one power-up? Well, it turns out the answer is you only have one power-up, so... but there, we finished this one, so now we'll go back to what we were doing in Dusky Badland. And I did notice here on this level list, Dusky Badland has a secret exit. I don't know why I'm, going one whole level. But since there's only one path shown, this might actually be the Red Switch Palace. Remember we started it? I don't remember. Oh, right, vegetables. We got to get our vegetables. Yum, yum. Well, definitely like having Yoshi for that. You wait there, Yoshi. And blah, 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 blah. I said blah, 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 blah. There we go. Blah, 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 blah. Yoshi was kind of stuck mid-animation. Boop. That's not what I expected when I went to duck under the thing, because I'm like, oh, there's a little hidden thing there, but... Oh, it doesn't... Yeah, like, I just saw this, and I'm like, is there like a little hidden block if I go like, whee, and then the whole thing disappeared. Okay, so be on the lookout for invisible walls. No! Did invisible last stream. Why are we doing more invisible? Mikeystar's gone mad with power. All the things are invisible now. No, he's gone mad. All right, let's see. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. How did I die when I was here last time? That's where the coin was, okay. actually. I have a tail. Can I take this with me? Can. I don't know that it'll be useful, but... Right, it was here on these snake blocks that I kind of fell in the middle. And I'm just so confused because it's like go in pipe right there, but then it doesn't actually let you in. Well, okay. I'll get a couple coins out of it. Alright, snake block. I guess I'll ride you. This one too. That's right. Every coin for Mario. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Me, yo, shit. Oh, what's down there? Well, this keeps going, so I guess we go in pipe first. See what's there. Take a little look inside the pipe. Vegetable. Should I have taken the other one with me? Yeah, maybe. Hey. Not what I was expecting, but, you know, all right. Bop. Bop. Secret? No. I mean, come on. You see a block in... Wait. But that's... Could be secret wall shenanigans, though. I don't know that there's enough place for me to get P-speed. But I'm wondering, because, like, the one was... Oh, it keeps going. I thought... Because I didn't see it, I thought, I was like, oh, that's the end of the thing. I'm like, there's nothing down here but a couple coins. And I was like, diagonal? Is that going to be a secret wall? Or are we just keep doing, you know? Oh, do we just have to backtrack now? Oh, okay. All right. Cool. I like that little area. Little snake block in the hidden area. What you gonna do? Wait. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, wait, but if this takes us out back down there, there's no way for me to get out. Or like, you know, maybe I could because I've got a tail, but someone without a tail wouldn't be able to. All right. I figure we just leave things in the ground. Like, I don't know. Like, it could be secrets. Like, I don't know. Can you have a star coin in the ground? But part of me is like, leave these in the ground until I see the places where I need them. And then pick them up. Although, like, yeah, maybe the other one was a P-switch. To, like, flip all these blocks. I don't know. Okay, P-switch. Go in there. What? What? Alright, so let's pretend I don't... Oh, there we go. Because I pretend we don't have a way to fly. What am I doing here? There's another... Alright, well, I'm gonna check then. Is this a P-switch? No. I mean, maybe it is that red pipe down there. I'm just... not convinced. Whatever, we can come back. We know there's a secret exit, so we're gonna have to play the level again anyway. So, are you a P-switch? Yeah. I can't even hit the guy. I hate you. I hate you, Goomber. Goomber. Put P-switch right here. And then we run with P-switch out of pipe? Oh, come on. Man, I hate the Goombers. I said it before and I'll say it again. All right,
oh,
sure.
Yeah.
Excuse me, they're called Goombrats. Shut up, they're called Goombers and you know it. What the? Did I want to do that? Oh, that is just a takes you out path. Okay. Okay. You can get another Firefly. Not that I need one right now, but good to know. Good to know. There we go. Platform saying, there's a lot of just dying if I drop down there. Okay. Waiting for my ride. Mario is waiting for the Uber lift. Okay, now it says put here, and then we go through there, but... I was like, do we really want to put it there? Yes, we do. Otherwise I'd be like, where's the third coin? Wait, what? But these aren't filled in? Oh, we need another type of switch. Like the golden pea switch or a red one. Oh, okay. Well, that might be where the secret then is, because there does not look to be a way to get up there unless one of these pipes takes us back up. Nope. Nope.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Oh, no. Excuse me, I need up there. But, well, I think I know where our missing fourth coin is about to be. Hit switch, come all the way back. We drop here, run across, go in pipe. That will take us back up. Then I'll just have to come back down to get in the pipe. Oh. Trying to tail thwack you, buddy, but I guess not. Guess we're gonna do this instead, because you want to be difficult about it. And you just are being a jerk about it. Everybody here being a big old jerkus malurkus. I swear. Is that the one I want? It is the one I want. Whoa. No, do I need to go get another P-Wing and test out what's up there? Maybe, but not yet. Doing some other things. Like this guy. Ah. What? Oh. Well, that would have been useful earlier. Too little, too late. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to keep. I was gonna say, if I can keep that to get into the Wonder Box, make it really easy on myself. Now, if I leave this here, it probably won't stay there, right? Like, if I just leave it there. But I'm gonna try. That's fun. Nice. Coin, a 1-up. Nice little, just chill. Oh, you can't actually use them like you can in the Super Mario World. They don't give you a thing. Coin? Sure. Coin? Also sure.
Yeah.
Here I was like, I'm gonna leave these in case we need them for later, and now I'm just like, let's pick them all up. Vegetable. Oh. Can I fireball you? I can, but it doesn't seem to give you anything. That's too bad. Taking my golden pea switch for a walk. Gonna see what else I can find. Hey, glad I took my golden pea switch for a walk. Really? Really? You're gonna do me dirty like that, Jump? Ugh. Alright, now this time... We're gonna go see what's in here. Now that we're not being screwed by our jump. Oh. Maybe the secret exit? I hope it's the secret exit. I mean, yeah, that looks secret to me. Come on. Red Switch Palace. Red Switch Palace. Chant it with me. Get your dragon, get your chalice. Did we find the Red Switch Palace? I mean, we got the stamp and all the star coins, so that's good at least. But you know what would make it better? What would be the icing on the cake? Red Switch Palace. Now, what I'm curious, was that the actual level exit or the bonus exit? Okay, that was the bonus level. Or exit. You know what I'm trying to say. Like, no, we really don't. Bonus exit. Let's get the Red Switch Palace. Nice. And yeah, so yeah, it is the exact same. Well, I mean, besides graphics and whatnot, but it's the same as the Super Mario World one. Just like the yellow one was. Still gonna see if I can yump this or not. I don't know that you can, but I don't think you can. Again, I don't know if it's because I didn't actually do it or because it's not possible. But without any further proof, I'm gonna say it's not possible and I'm just a genius. Alright, so this time, instead of going up in the secret area, we're gonna be going down here into Snake Blockville. And I don't remember what happened when we fell and died the other time. If I hold left, yeah, it's safe. Now, I'm curious where we're actually gonna end up, because I figured that the main path we saw on the world map would be going, like, ahead, and the secret path would give us the Red Switch Palace off to the side. I mean, technically, the Red Switch Palace did give us, you know, from the secret path, but, like, it followed the main path on the world map. So I'm confused where this path is gonna be. Well, that was a little unfair, you. Right, so it wants us to go around, but then back this way?
Ow!
Ow. Ow, indeed.
Oh, yeah.
But, I mean, why not just up in the first place? What am I missing that I don't want to go this way first? Boop, boop, boo, boo, power up. Meow. Okay. Unless they're just like, you fell down, here's the way to get back to the start of this area, I guess. Ooh, there. Ow, could really use a superstar here. Well, since we did get the stamp getting the secret exit, if I have to restart, I could just be like, don't restart right away, and then replay it and use a superstar for this little section. I don't know if I could get here in time, though. Probably wear off, but I don't know. Or we'll beat it and it won't matter. Hey, look at that. If you have a vegetable, you can get 20 coins. Well, thank goodness I had one, then.
I got it.
Take a power up. Are we done? I'm messed up.
I got it.
This is gonna be the end. You go like, why did I not spin jump? You spin jump on him, bounce over, and then bop, you're there. I don't know why I didn't spin jump, but whatever. We finished.
Yahoo!
And I'm curious where this goes. Very curious. Huh. A stamp again. Or it's because I already had it, I guess. I don't know, one of the two. Bonus game, bonus game. Hit the on-off blocks, blah, 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 blah. I know. Ha! Do I need more one-ups?
Yes!
Mario's like, yes, you do. No, Mario, you have 197. And he's like, more. I think you're addicted. All right, where's this go? Oh. So I guess the main exit also would have taken you there? There's just two ways to beat the level that go to the same place? Or would it have just not gone anywhere if I beat it the main way? Would it just like be like, bah, whatever, try again, type of thing? I don't know. Well, I mean, we got all our check marks. We got the Red Switch Palace, so... Okay. I'm a little confused, but okay. Okay, whatever. I don't need Yoshi. He was getting in the way, stifling my career.